Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to update or increase the maximum file size of your WordPress website. So you can upload a bigger file size on your WordPress media location. First of all, let's log into my WordPress website, and now I'm on the WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, if you click on media and add new, so maximal file upload size is only 100 megabytes. So if you are trying to upload a bigger file size and you upload bigger file size, I'm going to show you how to can increase it. To increase the file size, you're gonna need a new plugins. So click add new. Now you can search the plugins all-in-one WordPress migration. Now this is a newer version, and the newer version will not work with the file upload size, increasing the file upload size. So we are going to upload a previous version, which I have the link on my video. So click on that link and it will take you to Google Drive, and you can easily upload it on the choose file size. So now I'm going to click on that link and then click download. As you can see, it's downloading the zip file. And once the download is complete, you can just drag and drop it, and it's here. Click install now. And then click activate plugin. There it is, all-in-one WordPress migration is on your plugins. And if you refresh it, as you can see, all-in-one WordPress migration is here. Now if you click on import, maximum file upload size is 512 megabyte. So increase a bit, but if you are trying to upload a bigger size, I'm going to show you how you can change it to up to 10 gigabyte. Now click on plugins and then plugin file editor. So, and from select plugin to edit, just click on it and then click all-in-one WordPress migration and then hit select. Now all-in-one WordPress migration, you can edit the text from here. So I'm going to click constant.php. This is the page we are going to edit, and then click Ctrl F, click on the actual page and click Ctrl F, and then search for max file size and hit enter. On 252 row you will see these numbers. So click on it at the end, and then click press space, and then click multiply, and then type 20. So remember to put a space on after multiply, and then click update file. Now if we go dashboard and then click on all-in-one WordPress migration, then click import. As you can see, maximum file upload size is 10 GB now. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.